Assalamu alaikum. This is Ayaz, IELTS trainer, educational research scholar. So when we talk about IELTS listening module, many students they ask one question, sir, how this is possible? We will get 8 bands, which is required for Canadian immigration in IELTS listening module. So there are 2-3 different things, but one question which is most frequent among students, that is scoring good bands or attempting all correct answers when we are doing section number 3, which is MCQs. It is always difficult. Yes, it is true, it is always difficult, and there are 2-3 main reasons behind it. Number one is designing of the assessment, designing of the test items, designing of the questions. They are designed in this way that whatever you are listening to, you need to infer something, infer meaning. So there are 3 major problems. One side, you are listening to something. Second thing, you are reading the text, right? And the third thing, the information which is given in this section is not directly addressed by the speakers. So there are 3, and humans are not good enough in multitasking in this way. So what is the solution? The point is, what is the solution? There is one practice. If you will do that practice, I will guarantee you that you will get maximum bands. So I will tell you 2-3 different strategies. The strategy number 1 is that you need to retain information inside your mind, as I made one more video on reading, that how to retain information. So retaining means, for this, what you need to do, read different questions, and after reading it, you need to close your book and keep on listening what the speaker is saying. If there are 2 speakers or 3 speakers, they are discussing something, you need to retain inside your mind. So this is the point of the this is point of discussion. They are saying this point, that point, and before this, you must read, right? You must read the text, and after this, after some times, you will learn, try to retain whole information, all these things inside your mind. And when they end up, you need to open your book and write down answers. In the beginning, might be you will get 3 to 4 correct answers out of 10, but eventually within few days you will see that there will be an improvement. So during the listening examination, what you need to do, just think about it, and your maximum focus will be on listening, not on reading. So before, this is second strategy, second important thing, that you do not focus more on reading while listening to this part. So what you need to do, you will get some times in section number 1, section number 2, before doing this section, where you will read. At that time, you can read different questions. So this is how you will completely focus on listening part of the assessment. And third thing is conjunctions, right? For example, when they talk about but, when they talk about however, so you need to be very careful at that time. You keep on thinking about the words. For example, they said however, right? Now they have already given one statement, and now this is the point when they will give anti-statement, and in most cases this is true. You need to remember this thing. And the last point, which is somehow tricky to most of the students and to most of the listeners, that you need to infer something. Might be they will give you one hint, so by using that hint, it will help you to reach the correct answer. So these 4 things are very important in MCQs. Today I will not discuss something else. In listening module, only MCQs and different strategies of attempting MCQs. Thank you so much.